Good afternoon, Year 5. Hope you're all well. Welcome to our next maths lesson. So again, get your exercise books, maths at the top of the page, your LO to multiply two-digit numbers, and today's date, Wednesday the 13th of January. Now, I know we've done multiplying two digits yesterday, but we just want to consolidate it a little bit more because I know a few were struggling. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of multiplying two-digit numbers. Okay, so here we have a milk van with some milkman and some cartons of milk. So today I have 10 green crates of milk, 10 blue crates of milk, and 3 red crates of milk. So the first question I want to ask you is how many crates are there all together? Okay, nice and easy. So we're going to look how many crates are 10, 10, 3, 23. Now if each crate had 15 bottles and we had 23 crates, how many bottles are there all together? So maybe pause the video, have a quick little think how you could work out how many bottles are all together. I don't want you to do it, just work out how you might begin that calculation. Okay, so if we have a look now, of course we're going to be using an area model like we did yesterday. So 23 times by 15, that's the calculation we need to use to work out how many milk bottles there are all together. So again, we're going to partition both numbers to make it easy for us. So we partition the 23 into 20 and 3, or we partition a 15 into 5 and 10, just like that. And again, we need to multiply each of these numbers to work out the area of each box, and then we can add them all together to work out our answer. So we'll start with 20 times by 10. 20 times by 10 is 200. 20 multiplied by 5, we should know, 100. 10 times 3, nice and easy, 30, and 3 times 5, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so we've got all these numbers, and just like I said before, we need to now add them all together, okay? And we can do this in our head, or if not, column addition. So nice and easy, units first, 0, 0, 0, 5, 5, 3 add 1, 4, 2 add 1, 3. Your answer, 345. Nice and easy for you there, guys. Now we're moving on, still with the same question, okay? So here, instead, we've partitioned the 23 into 3 different numbers. We've got 10 times 15, 10 times 15, and 3 times 15. We haven't partitioned the 15, just the 20. So we've broken 20 down into 10, 10, and 3 to make it easier. Okay, so straight away, 10 times 15, 150, 10 times 15, 150, and then 3 times 15. So you can count up in 15s, 15, 30, 45. If you can't, a little bit of practice, that's fine. Or of course, you could do your short multiplication methods. Okay, so now we've partitioned it into 3 different numbers, and of course we have to add them all together. Okay, so adding them all together should be fairly simple. You can do the column addition method, you can do it in your head, or of course we could use a number line just to show a different method. So of course on the number line you're going to start at 0, and we need to make a big leap to the first one. We're going to add 150. So 0 add 150 is of course 150. Then we need to do another jump, add another 150, so 150, add 150, 300, and then add your final 45, 300, add 45, 345, and that's your final answer. Okay, so you can do it either way you like, I don't mind, I'm just showing a different method because I knew a lot of you were struggling yesterday. Okay, and there's your final answer. So here I've got a question for you to try and complete, guys. So how many pencils are there in total? It's all set out pretty simply for you, so you're doing 10 lots of 24 pencils, 2 lots of 24 pencils, working out the answers, adding them together, working out the total of pencils. So give that a quick go for me, guys, and then we'll go through the answer at the end. Okay, Year 5, so hopefully you've given that a go now. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is our 10 times 24 pencils. Okay, so 10 times 24. Fairly simple. Okay, so 10 times 24, we know 1 times 24 is 24, add on the 0, 240. And then your 2 times 24. Okay, this is just simple doubling. Okay, okay, you need to practice your doubling if you're struggling a little bit with this. Okay, so double the 21st, you got 40. Double the 4, you get 8. 2 times 24, 48. And then of course, to work out how many pencils are we all together, we need to add these up. Okay, 0 at 8, 8. 4 at 4, 40 at 40, that's 80. And of course, 2. So we've got 288 pencils. Hopefully that should be all okay for you guys. If you struggled a little bit, don't be afraid to rewind the video, replay the video, watch it as many times as you like, that's absolutely fine. You now do have a worksheet to complete that's attached as well onto the website. So complete that for me and make sure you send your work back in so I can get it all marked. Okay, thank you very much for your 5. Enjoy the rest of your day.